Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to mute a channel on WhatsApp web using the latest update. This quick and easy guide will help you avoid unnecessary notifications and keep your workspace distraction-free. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. If you're not already logged in, scan the QR code using the WhatsApp app on your phone to access your account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a menu with various options. From there, click on Channels to view all the channels you follow. Next, select the specific channel you want to mute. Simply click on it to open it. Now, at the top of the channel page, click on the channel's name. This will take you to its settings or details page. Here's where the magic happens. Locate the option labeled Muted and toggle it on. Once enabled, this will silence notifications from that channel, allowing you to stay focused without interruptions. And that's it. You've successfully muted a channel on WhatsApp web. This feature is perfect for managing your notifications and ensuring a more peaceful browsing experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.